I look so cute. This hair is just stunning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working with Yolissa Hair. I have here the water wave hair and it's 24 inches and I believe this is a 5x5 HD lace and it's 180% can't even speak. It's 180% density. I did see a big difference with the 180 lace compared to 150 and I'll tell you guys why later on. So I go in with a developer. I use the 40% True Zone and I got this from like the beauty shop. And I also use this powder. This was just any powder. I don't really have a specific powder that I get. As long as it's blue, I pick it up. And so here I'm just putting 3 cups of the powder onto the, what would you call that? Onto the cup. I don't know, guys, you know, I'm putting 3 cups. So I put 3 cups and then I put the developer. And with the developer, take your time with it, you know. Don't put too much. Just take your time and see if it's like the right consistency. So the right consistency should be like basically like toothpaste, but just, yeah, basically like toothpaste. Like, you know, toothpaste is not runny. I think that's the only way I can explain like what consistency you should have. But in this case, I feel like my consistency was not that great compared to like how I usually do it. I feel like I should have added a little bit more developer just so it could just be a little bit more flowy. But as I said, you don't want it to drip. Now I'm just applying the bleach onto the knots, and you want to go in with a gentle hand. Don't go too hard onto the lace because it can go through the hair and then you end up bleaching the roots. We're trying to bleach the knots, not the roots. So you just do that all over the bits that you want to bleach. I always do it all around because I sometimes part the hair like really far back. But yeah, it's up to you how far you want to put the bleach. You could just put it at the front like how it is right now, or you can go all the way back like how I did. So realistically, you want to keep this hair for about, I would say 45 minutes. I did unfortunately put it for like 30 minutes and then I realized that the knots were not like bleached fully in the back. So that was my mistake. Normally I do bleach it for really long, but with this hair it's very hard to tell. Like, I thought that it would take the bleach really well, so that's why I just thought, you know what, let me leave it in for like 29 minutes. But as you guys can see, that's when I like figure out that the knots are not bleached all the way. So I use this purple shampoo. I would recommend this brand, like highly recommend this brand. I feel like it gets rid of all the bleach and your hair doesn't process after the bleaching process. So guys, I would say that the plucking part of my video is just very rushed. Like, I had like about 30 minutes to pluck this hair and this is the best that I could do within the 30 minutes. I have done better jobs, you know, check out my other videos. I've done better jobs of plucking my hair, but this one's just because I had like a timer. I couldn't do it to the like best that I normally do it. I will put some videos down below that I have watched that have helped me learn how to pluck my hair. But what I do is I don't section off the hair as I go back. I just kind of go back with the plucking, like how you can see right now. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what, I'll find a video and check the description down below.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
I'm just going to show you guys how I install my hair. It's very similar from how I've installed my other hairs, but obviously this is the closure. I feel like this is way more quicker than when I do a frontal. So the hair is like very wet at the moment, but this is the hair, and obviously I plucked it and all of that. I feel like I did obviously bleach it. I over bleached it because basically, as I told you guys, when I bleached it the first time, the knots did not bleach well in the back, so I had to bleach it again, and I didn't actually bleach it at the front, but I don't know why. I think I over bleached it at the front in the beginning because some of the hair in the front is pretty much gone. As you guys can see, this is the hair, and I obviously what's it called, I plucked it, and I do feel like this side is so over plucked. Like, guys, do you see like the line is pretty much gone? Yikes. Big yikes. But you know what, I think I might just do some baby hairs with that then, since it is pretty much finished. I might just do some baby hairs. When in doubt, do baby hairs, because it looked really bad, guys, like really bad. I don't want to do too much baby hairs. Like, I'm not really the biggest fan of like baby hairs, so I don't want to do too much, but I want to do just like a cute little baby hair. And guys, this hair is soft, like it is so soft, and this is not, I'm not capping, like this hair is so soft.
So in this part, I just basically go in with my wax stick and flattened, apply it to the parts where I want to go over with the hot comb, just so the top bit is flat. I feel like this step is the key to not having a helmet wig. You guys know what I mean by a helmet wig, you know, when the wig is just looking like a helmet. Like, this is the steps that you need to do to avoid that. And it's like, for me, I had to do another layer underneath just so it can really flatten this hair, because I mean, this is the first time I'm actually wearing this hair, so it's not gonna have like, it's not gonna be flat, but over time your hair does get flat, and I feel like I've realized that, like, my hair gets flat over time.
thank you guys for reaching the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved working with Yolissa Hair. This hair is so beautiful and so soft. Like, guys, look at these curls. They are so pretty and I feel like I look so cute. If you guys want more details about this hair, make sure you check the description box down below. But this is a deep curled hair and it's 24 inches, and I would say the parting is pretty much like a, I would say it's like a 13/6 closure, because the hair does part all the way back. I obviously stopped it here just because that's how I like it. But yeah, and this hair comes very, very dark. Like, I did not have to dye this hair. Like, this hair is black. It's 1B, probably even just one, not even a B, just one. Like, this is black, okay? Black. Guys, please like my video. It really helps Instagram to push out my videos to more viewers, and that means I could grow my family even more, and that's really what I want this year, to grow my family even more on YouTube. So please guys, like, comment, share and subscribe. Share it to everyone you know. Okay, buy the hair, look cute like me. But yeah guys, oh, I look so cute. This hair is just stunning. Wow, this hair is just, I can't stop looking at myself. I need to be recording other videos and I'm just looking at myself like, okay. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.